Hi, in this video we will see how to create the highlighted table in Tableau. So for doing this I'll be using the sample superstore dataset. So for creating the highlighted table, first we have to create a simple table. So I'll just take the subcategory and drop it here, and then I'll take the sales measure and I'll drop it onto a table. So now we can see here each subcategory is showing the total sale. So for creating the highlighted table, we have let's just say I'll take the sales field again and drop it onto the color. Now we can see the each text is showing different color. So here we can see the darker color is showing the high sale, and the lightest color is represent the least sale. So but uh, for creating the highlighted table, you just have to click on show me button, and there's option for the highlight table. You just click here. So we can see here the our highlighted table is ready. So if you want to put some more information, you just drag and drop some dimension. So for example, I'll take the ship mode and drop it onto the column. So now our table is further divided according to the shipping mode. So here there are four different types of mode, and the each mode has their uh, the total sales of each subcategory. And also if you want to uh, expand this table further, you can just take the region and drop it onto the column. So then we can see here our the each shipping mode is further divided into four different types of region. So there we can see here central region, east, south, west. So this is how we can create the highlighted table in Tableau. So if you want to expand this, or just click on entire view. So here you can see here it is looks more comfortable and more attractive. So this is how we can create the highlighted table in Tableau. And thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more.